Nothing is permanent except change. In my opinion, this sentence fits here best. We need to see how our product works in real environment. This is where rubber meets the road. Lots of time I saw that, we became in love of our products rather than, doing the quick fixing based on our customer feedback. We start defending our product. You know, Iterative agile development, which is also aligned with the fifth phase of design thinking, helps us to experience our product with our customers. We need to see how our customers are able to generate outcomes from our output. At the end of the day, customer, who is using our product, they are using it for outcomes. They are not using it for features and functions. If you want to customer, if you want your customer to realize the benefit of your product, then do join our Agile Project Management with Design Thinking workshop. Thanks.